Hello, class. Um, some of you are having some problems, so I want to welcome you to Constitutional Law 231. First, let me make sure you understand that Internet Explorer is not a friend of Blackboard, and a phone is not a friend of Blackboard as well. You need a computer sometimes, a desktop or a laptop in order to complete your assignments. So let's get started. Over here on your left-hand side, to get started, in order to get access to some of your classes, you have to click on this right here called Assignments. Click on it. I'm doing it right now. And you see how you come up to New Blackboard Template and also Orientation Activities start here. This is where you click and do your assignment in order to get access to the rest of your classes. So once you click here, see, Student Coffee House comes up. And that's your orientation activity in order to have access to your class to be counted for your census date. Click on Student Coffee House, and that's what comes up. You come right here and you create a thread. As you see me scroll down, that's what you see. This is an area to connect with your classmate. You can discuss this. You can discuss this course, your FTC program, your lives. This space is yours, so pour yourself late and enjoy. So right here, you create a thread. I'm going to click on it. And this is where you put your subject, which is orientation. You type in here information, what you want to put, what you want to say about yourself, introduce yourself to the class, or if you type it on a computer, you can click and browse your computer, upload it, whatever. Once you finish, you go over here and you click submit. Once you click submit, of course, I have no value because I put nothing in there. Once you click submit, you will have access to your course. All right, if you have any other questions, please let me know. But I wanted to make sure that we knew what it was at. And I got student mode on right now so I can see exactly what you see. Okay. On this side, you have your announcements, how this course works, your syllabus, instructor information, assignments, my grade, email, and so forth and so on. But this is where you go. Okay. Welcome to class, and I wish you much luck. Bye bye.